Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to color grade to make video dark and moody in Premiere Pro. Once you already have your video on your timeline, let's search for Lumetri Color under the effects. And once you have found it, drag it to your clip and let's go to Effect Controls, scroll down until you find Lumetri Color. From here, expand Basic Correction, scroll through, and we are going to set the saturation to 50. For the blacks, you're going to set it to -50. For the shadows, you're going to set it to -50 as well. For the whites, we are going to set it to 50. And for contrast, 60. And this is how our video looks like. You can adjust according to your preference. And this is the before and after, so we can see the difference of our color grade. That is how you can basically color grade to make video dark and moody in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.